Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to see how we can use if-else conditions with and functions in Helm template. In previous video we have already discussed if-else statement or if-else conditions with EQ functions. We call it equal to operator, basically not operator. Generally in programming language we call it called as an operator, but here we refer as a function. So let's focus on if else plus and functions on this particular series. Okay, so before moving to a demonstration part, there is a one very popular term in Helm which is flow control. So basically flow control is nothing, it's just a process how you are going to execute your template or your code basically based on certain conditions or loop. So that process is called a flow control. So for example, under like when you are going to configure your template, you are going to use conditions, loops, and Boolean functions as well. So under conditional statement, it comes if, else if. Under loops, we use for, range, while. So basically, if and else statements or conditions are used to control which part of your template is going to render based on certain conditions. So that is called a flow control, and Boolean functions are basically helper that supports the flow control. So we have Boolean functions eq, and, or, and not. So let's understand with the help of example how if else and AND operator work. So what happened in if else and AND operator? So if you can see, so we have one argument, this dot values dot features enabled. This is the one argument, and another argument we have this one. So here we are going to use AND operator, and for this argument we are going to use EQ operator. So if this will be true and this will be true, then this particular block will be rendered or executed, else it will exit the loop. So in case of in if else and AND operator, both the arguments should be true, then only this particular block will be rendered or executed, otherwise it will exit. So either it is true, suppose if this one is true and this one is false, then it will not work. And similarly, if this is false and this is true, again it will not satisfy these conditions, and it will not rendered or not execute this particular block. So to execute this particular block, both the arguments should be true, then only this block will be executed. So let's see with the help of example, then it will be more clear. Okay, so this is the folder under GitHub repo, which I will mention the link in description box. So let me go to this folder, and if I'll go to template sections, and we have a file called configmap.ml. So here if you will see, let me copy this content on Visual Studio Code. Okay, so it's already there. Let me save it. So what happened if this value which we are referring from values.ml file. Okay, so let me update this file so it will be more clear. Okay, so if feature enabled is true and environment is prod, so if I come to this file, so dot values dot feature enabled is true, so this argument is true default, and this argument is also true because environment values we have prod. So in that case, this argument and this argument both will be true, then we will get this output: feature is enabled in production environment. Another condition we have mentioned here, hyphen else if and dot values dot feature enabled, and we are going to change the environment value which is staging. So in that case, what will happen? This will be true, but this will be false. In that case, this particular block or will be executed, and if it will not satisfy both of these things, then this particular block is going to execute. So let's execute it first, so it will be more clear. Let me close this file, and I think let me copy the chart.ml file as well. Okay, so let me paste it. Now again we are going to use Helm template command, so we will render locally these templates, so it will not apply on a Kubernetes cluster. So I will run a command called Helm template and a chart name. So I am already inside demo folder, so that is fine. So now we need to pass release name. Let's provide app1 and hyphen. No, dry run is not needed basically here. Let me hit enter. So you can see feature is enabled in production environment because here we have this value is also true and this value is also true, because under values.ml file we have an environment values plot. So that's why it is satisfy this particular condition and it prints this particular output. So if you can see in this ml file, so we have feature is enabled in feature is enabled in production environment. Now if I will change here hyphen set environment equal to let's put dev and let me run it. So now we are getting feature is disabled or not in production or staging environment. Now it is executing this block because we have dot values dot feature enabled values inside values.ml file, but we don't have this particular values environment value staging, we don't have in values.ml file. So basically it is not satisfying this condition and this one as well. That's why it is going to this else loop and it is going to print this particular output. So in short, if you are going to use if else conditions with AND operator, in that case both the arguments should be true, then only it will execute the desired block. Otherwise it will execute another block, like maybe else block, like whatever you have configured. So the main thing for if else and functions is both the argument value should be true, then it will gives you a desired result. So though I hope it's clear. In case if you have any doubts, you can ping me over comment box. I will add this GitHub repo link in description box. If you want to do hands-on, you can do that as well. So thank you so much. See you next video.